Assalamualaikum, hello everyone. Good day. Let me introduce myself. My name is Nurul Maskana from PBI4 in English Education Study Program at State Islamic University of Raden Fatah, Palembang. The Honorable Ma'am Dr. Annisa Astrid M.Pd as the lecturer of seminar proposal. In this video, I would like to present my proposal. The title is The Roles of Social Media on the FL Learners' Writing Skill at State Islamic University of Raden Fatah, Palembang. Well, the first section is the research problem. Based on the background, the researcher has formulated the research problems, and the research problems of this proposal are: first, how do EFL learners' perception on the use of Facebook in teaching writing in the pandemic of COVID-19? Second, how do EFL learners' perception on the use of Facebook in learning writing? And third, what are the factors which cause EFL learners' lack of confidence and ability to write? The second part is the research objectives. Based on the problems that has been formulated, the aims of this proposal are to find out: first, the perception of EFL teacher on the use of Facebook in teaching writing in the pandemic of COVID-19. Second, to find out the perception of EFL learners on the use of Facebook in learning writing. And third, to find out the factors which cause EFL learners lack of confidence and ability to write. The third part is the research method. In research methodology, there are 5 sections. First, research design. Second, research site and participants. Third, data collection. Fourth, data analysis. And fifth, establishment of trustworthiness. The first one is research design. In this research, the researcher will use qualitative approach. According to Creswell 2014, he described qualitative research is used to explore and comprehend the fundamental notion of phenomena from individuals, groups, and individuals in society or people. For discovering the research, the researcher will use case study to discover the qualitative research, and for the data collection, the researcher will use interview. The research site and participants. The researcher has chosen State Islamic University of Raden Fatah, Palembang to conduct this research. It is located in Professor K. Haji Zainal Abidin Fikri Street in 3.5 kilometers Palembang. It has 10 faculties and 46 study programs. Recently, the Campus B of State Islamic University of Raden Fatah, Palembang has been inaugurated by the religion government in 24 of May 2021. The researcher chose this location to conduct the research since the researcher also the student of State Islamic University of Raden Fatah, Palembang, to accomplish the undergraduate thesis, and besides that, the participants are suitable to conduct this research. The research participants of this study will be a writing lecturer and 15 students out of 130 undergraduate EFL learners at English Education Study Program. Based on the data of midterm, in the writing class, the researcher will use PBI4 as the participants because they are in 4th semester, and this is the last class of writing, which is called academic writing. The researcher used random sampling method to choose the participants. Data collection. The researcher will use interview to collect the data. Semi-structured interview will be applied to dig more on problems related to the respondents' perception of using Facebook in teaching writing in the pandemic of COVID-19. Perception of using Facebook in learning writing in the pandemic of COVID-19 and the factors which cause EFL learners' lack of confidence and ability to write. The interview will conduct virtually through Zoom, and the researcher will record the interview to transcribe the data. For analyzing the data according to the semi-structured interview, the researcher will use thematic analysis to analyze the data. According to Brown and Clark, 2006, there are 6 stages of thematic analysis. First, to be engaged with the data. Second, start into a formal coding process. Third, generating initial codes. Fourth, propose the themes, sub-themes, and all related data which had relation with each theme. Fifth, naming the themes and define the themes which can represent the data within one sentence. And last, produce the report with analytical narrative that provides the description of the data and argument in relation to answer the research question. The establishment of trustworthiness. In the process of data collection and analysis, the accuracy of analysis and conclusion must be assured. In this research, by employing member checks, the researcher validates the accuracy of the results in its member checking. According to Creswell 2012, he noted that the data would be collected and validated by requesting one or more research members to guarantee that each source data, such as the interview, is accurate. These are the references that the researcher used to accomplish the research, and thank you very much for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.